Here,
that cool?
where's the...
See, you get to like chop up things.
Oh, yeah.
You chop things and you measure things, and then you like spin and throw the pizza dough up in the air, and then you count out vegetables.
Okay, sorry.
Fire's a lot better than I thought it would.
Yeah.
My eye!
Yeah, my.
Is that cool, Emma?
Here, you don't have to
Cool.
look for it anymore. I'll find the rest.
Yeah, next year I have to put labels on it.
Yeah. No way.
Oh,
Awesome, it's the one that I wanted.
Oh, those are awesome.
they
I love the
are
architectural
awesome.
series. Those are so cool. Which one is it?
It's the White House.
Nice. I only have the Sears Tower. Those are so cool.
Yeah, we saw those some. Where did we see them first? I don't remember.
That's gonna put your brains to work.
Now,
Do not touch this.
White House,
Why?
awesome.
He will instruct you on the rest.
Mom, open. Look later, open now.
Touch it, I get you.
Me?
Yeah.
Cohen has stacked his Playmobil people.
Do I have another one?
I don't know. Ask Grandma and Grandpa.